Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So this is the painting you guys are going to see in the video today. It is a gradient Dutch pour. I love how this turned out, you guys. I was really working hard with the colors on this. I wanted like a rich yellow color, and then I wanted this to be kind of like a really dark teal. So I mixed a lot of colors together, blues, greens, until I got exactly the color I was looking for. And yeah, really happy with how it turned out. If you're looking for a really in-depth online course on how to do this gradient Dutch pour, I have one available on my website, as well as other online courses as well. That website is crystalcoastoriginals.com. And as always, my paintings and prints are available in my Etsy shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.